In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 25mm wheel spacers on your Honda Accord. Let's go. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques in impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry's safety and professional standards. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.